Hey everybody, it's Allison, and welcome back to the Unum Mundum YouTube channel. So it's that time of year that we all dread. AP scores are coming out tomorrow. So for this week's Tutorial Tuesday, I thought I would do a simple video on how to access your scores on the College Board website so that you're all ready to go check your scores and see if you got that 5. Alright, so I am pre-filming this kind of a while before this is going to happen, but when you're seeing this, APs will be coming out tomorrow. As you can see here, they will be available starting Wednesday, July 5th. So the first thing you're going to want to do is go to My AP, and it'll just be the first, and then you want to log into your account. Once you're logged into My AP, you'll see this pop up here, and this is to send an official AP score report for free. So each year that you take any AP exams, you get to send one free score report to any college or organization that you want. And obviously you can self-report, but this is an official one sent directly from AP to whoever you want to send it to. So next you're going to go to this drop down that says scores and go to view your scores. And here it's going, so this is my old one from last year, but this is where it's going to list your AP scores. And yeah, it's that simple. But yeah, and then here you can learn more about how they're scored, distribution, and then there's a bunch of FAQs that you can read about. And yeah, it's really that simple. Alright, that was my tutorial. I hope you found this video helpful. As always, make sure to subscribe to our channel and follow us on Instagram as well as check out our website. If you have any questions or future video requests, make sure to email us at team@unimundum.org. Thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed.